Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to talk about the foundation skills for the beginner paralegal and just what are they? Well, some of the obvious ones are knowing how to type, proofreading, which is so important. You will build your reputation on how well you proofread a document before you hand it to the attorney. The attorney is never your proofreader. Don't depend on the attorney for that. They have more important things to do. This is your job. So typing, filing, word processing, make sure your Microsoft Word skills are not just basic. If you've been sliding by with Microsoft Word, now's the time to up your game to more advanced skills. Make sure you know all the basics and then go to the advanced skills. Okay, now what are they? I've put up some training for you. It's a third party, a trainer on YouTube. It's free. So go to my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, and look under advanced skills. While you're there, look at every single tab. Look around. Everything there is for beginners. The Paralegal Inner Circle class and the Cover Letter Secrets class are my two main classes. They will kick off, the enrollment kicks off on the 15th of this month of July, and then we'll close on the 18th of July. This is 2022 if you're watching this video, at another time. So, I only open it up and launch it for 3 or 4 days at a time, and then it's shut down. So your skills are important in word processing. Landing the job and then going in there on day one and just sliding by a Microsoft Word is not a good idea. So become a more advanced user. Okay, and then from that point forward, you're going to build. And what are you going to put on top of foundation skills? What are you going to add to it? Understanding paralegal duties. So when you're on the website and you look under Paralegal Resources Hub and you see the playbook, which is free, download that today, okay? And go find the page in the playbook which discusses how to research paralegal duties, but also learn how to perform some of those and then communicate that, what you know how to do in your cover letter. And then when you get called in for an interview, you have to discuss it further. Now, you may have to bring that forward and say, well, by the way, I am familiar with blah, blah. And even as a beginner, you can do this. This is how we learn. They're not going to run a school at the legal workplace. They don't do that. So learn all you can and communicate that to the hiring attorney. Have a great day.